Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Notice a lot of you guys are not subscribed. Please hit the like button, subscribe down below, on the side, or wherever it is. Anyway, got a quick tip for you. So this morning my car was not heating properly, so it only heats when I'm driving. So I just figured out, I know what it is, so let me show you real quick. So come to find out, the issue is I need some more antifreeze. I was a little dry, so we're gonna put a little bit of antifreeze in here. We're gonna put a little bit in here and a little bit in the reservoir. So that's the reason usually why. So let me get the coolant and do that. This off. Okay. And let's top it off. Okay, so if it leaks, that means put a little bit more, make sure nothing comes out. All right, we leave that on for now. Let's fill the backup reservoir as well. See if I can turn on the camera here. Okay, let's check. Yeah, that's empty. Put some in here. We fill everything up. Okay. So it's coming out this way, so that means it's good. Let's double check in here. Looks good. Let's put the cover back. Okay, good. Now let's check the little reservoir. It should filled up. Ah, shoot. I dropped the cover, darn it. Alright guys, now that the fluid is topped off all the way to the top, the backup reservoir is full. This is also full. So let's go start the car and see if we can get them to bubble up. Let's go. You can see guys, the bubbles meaning that it's doing what it's supposed to do. Perfect. As you can see guys, there's no more bubble. So the heat should be back on. Now let's cover it up before it gets too hot. Let's check the car. Yes guys, we have heat as the car is idling. That's exactly what we're trying to fix. We have heat. The car is still warming up, but we have full heat right now. Let me turn it on so you can see. We have heat. Just let it warm up a little bit longer, but I think that was a quick fix. All right, peace.